no, just to be a little bit different because I agree with what she says. Children will follow what you do, not what you say, di ba? So, kailangan talaga tayo role model. But more than that, kailangan our children are healthy holistically. Hindi lang physical, kundi ang mental health nila, kundi rin ang spiritual health nila. And we have to be the ones that are guiding them because we're their parents or kunyari primary caregiver. So ano ulit yung tanong? How do I teach them to be healthy? So yun lang. So for mental health, ako, one of my tips sa lahat ng mga mommies out there, at guilty din ako ng ginagawa to, minsan, kinukumpara ko yung mga kids ko with other kids or sa isa't isa. Okay, I want to reiterate that comparison is the thief of joy. Kunyari, you see your son there, bakit hindi ka pa marunong mag-basketball? Yung kapitbahay natin, ang galing-galing na. Iba sila, di ba? How would you feel it if sinabi niya, bakit yung isang mommy laging nandyan, lagi silang tinuturuan, di ba? Ang sakit. So we have to recognize children in their uniqueness and appreciate them for who they are. So that's number one, to help support their mental health. Huwag natin i-compare ang mga bata sa isa't isa. Number two, physical health. Playing with them sa labas, with nature. Ibaba yung cellphone, ibaba yung TikTok and IG. At lumabas lang kayo maglakad, take a walk, kahit 15 minutes. Sobrang nakakatulong yun sa mental health, lalo na sa mga bata. Why? Because our brains are not meant to absorb so much information via the iPad, via digital.
Via those gadgets.
Yeah. And I know that it's very, very hard, but as parents, it's our responsibility to spend time with our children without our gadgets.